Hi everybody, my name is Thor. I've been passionately following the cryptocurrency market since I first bought Bitcoin in 2012. Now I want to create a real world portfolio where I will share all my ups and downs. Every week I will invest $100 and we will focus on long-term stable and useful project. I'll try to avoid noise that comes with following short-term trends and meme tokens, meme coins. I will keep a focused portfolio. In the beginning, there will be max 10 coins or tokens, but I might dive deep into some projects even if I might not put them into my portfolio. This adventure, I'm really happy to share with you, and I hope that you want to be a part of it. We will experience all the ups and downs and everything in between. I will share all my decisions, my thought process, and the results of my investments in real time. I can't promise it will be smooth sailing, but I will promise it will be educational, engaging, and hopefully a profitable journey. So let's go into the crypto markets today, or at the point where I will start my portfolio. It will be an overview of the current market conditions. Throughout 2023, the markets has been somewhat quiet. We've seen the market cap increase over time, but the volume is really low, and we see that the excitement that we saw in 2021 and the depressions we saw in 2022 seem to be behind us. Although there is some points to follow. Bitcoin price has been rising since the year started, and there has been some hype around some projects like the BRC20 tokens, which spawned out of nowhere to a market cap of $500 million. There has also been other parts that have sparked some excitements, like Pepecoin. I'm happy to see the fees given to the miners and the real world use of the blockchain. However, I will not be investing in any of these meme tokens in my portfolio. There have also been some updates regarding development. Ethereum's Chapella or Shanghai upgrade finally released, allowing users to unstake. The developers in the industry don't sleep, and in all of the cryptocurrency industry, we see continuing development. The Bitcoin halving is less than a year away, now only 305 days. And the Bitcoin halving historically aligns with rising prices, although past performance doesn't predict the future. Outside of crypto, there have been a huge banking crisis. Three of the 5 largest banking collapses happened this year, or late last year. Short term, this will be a pain for the liquidity in the markets. It could bump prices even lower, but long term, it should be positive for crypto, and it highlights the importance of becoming our own bank. Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum, Polygon, Optimism have taken over more volume, more TVL, and it provides a better user experience, allowing smaller portfolios like ours will be to join in the DeFi ecosystem and to take part in some of the apps that are provided on the EVM chains. And also the Solana killers are coming along. We have Solana itself, which is trucking along with a quite high amount of users, very, very cheap to use, very fast. And we also got the new Solana killers like Aptos, and we also have Sui just recently released. Both with some problems, but very fast, very easy to use, and providing a better user experience than the traditional EVM chains. So in brief, that's, I think, some of the points to highlight for where we stand today. And that's the point where we will start our portfolio. Week 1, day 1. So for first cryptocurrency spotlight, we will focus on Monero. It launched in 2014. It's a privacy-focused cryptocurrency and robust privacy features. It hides all transactions with ring signatures. You have stealth addresses to use new addresses every single transaction, making transactions untraceable. So far, they have not been broken to a great extent, and it ensures high privacy for its users. Despite market volatility, Monero has consistently remained in the top 50 cryptocurrencies by market cap, demonstrating its enduring appeal. Monero's strong focus on privacy make it a popular choice for those valuing transaction anonymity. However, it has also faced controversy due to potential misuse. It's important to remember that any tool giving users privacy can be used positively and negatively. And I want to discuss why I've decided to add this to my portfolio. Monero serves several key real-world issues. Primarily, it acts as digital cash, ensuring privacy and security for daily transactions. If we aim to replace traditional cash, we need a robust digital alternative. Monero has been used for fundraising, buying goods and services, and the store of value. Although, as we've seen in the media, a lot of nefarious uses. Its association with darknet markets and ransomware attacks like WannaCry is a point of concern. Monero competes with other crypto privacy coins like Dash and Zcash, as well as some smart contract platforms, which I'm really excited to dive into in the future, like Secret Network and Oasis Network. And I look forward to going in depth into the smart contract capabilities of these platforms. And also, let's not forget Bitcoin. Although it lacks inbuilt privacy, there are many privacy options that you can use. But is Monero superior to Bitcoin? And I would argue, given the importance of inbuilt privacy, it is not. Or Monero is superior to Bitcoin. Monero has a highly productive development team, including the Monero core team and the Monero research lab, as well as strong community groups. They are tirelessly working to enhance the scalability, transaction speed, and privacy of Monero. As you can see, it's actively developed, and you see frequent updates to the Monero core. Monero scalability far exceeds Bitcoin's with a theoretical of 1,700 transactions per second. I did see online a real-world test with budget consumer hardware, where they managed to go through 90 transactions per second. However, that is with budget consumer hardware and unknown bandwidth, unknown memory. The theoretical maximum is so far not reached, but I do think that 90 transactions per second should be quite easily reached, and much higher as well. While it's lower than the theoretical maximum, it still trumps Bitcoin and Ethereum by far. Monero runs on the tried and tested proof of work mechanism, and with 14 years of proof of work history, I do believe you can feel quite safe in the security of Monero. Despite these strengths, many risks persists. The primary risk is regulation. Monero's privacy feature could draw regulatory attention due to its usage in darknet markets and ransomware. Also, Monero transactions take up much more block space than Bitcoin, which could lead to blockchain bloat, potentially making it harder for consumers to run full nodes. Let's also keep in mind that Monero has been delisted from several exchanges due to regulatory concerns and may be delisted from more. Yet, the option of peer-to-peer transactions on platforms like local Monero demonstrates the community's resilience and commitment to privacy focused on ramps. Despite these hurdles, I firmly believe privacy is a fundamental human right. As long as cryptocurrencies exist, there will always be a need for robust privacy protections. For this reason, I advocate that every portfolio should consider a privacy-focused coin, and that is why I will start my portfolio with Monero. As I said earlier, I will invest $100 a week into cryptocurrencies. This week I bought 0.627 Monero at a price of 159.52. And yeah, I will keep you updated on how this decision will go. Thank you for watching my first video. I will be back next week to show the progress of my portfolio. I will discuss the next week's market developments, and I will explore new projects to invest in. If you'd like to follow along and see more of my portfolio, please interact with the video, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Until next time, stay informed and happy investing.